What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me teach you how can you switch back to your personal account on your Instagram account. So if you've accidentally added or logged into your business account on your Instagram, this is the way to switch back to your personal account. So without further ado, let's get right onto it. So on your Instagram app, you just have to go over to the bottom right here on your profile and I'll go over three lines at the upper right, the hamburger icon, and go over to settings. Once you are here, you just have to go over and proceed to account, and over here at the bottom, as you can see, switch to professional account. As you can see, we are on the personal account here. So as an example, let's say you've accidentally switched to professional account or your business account, like that. So let's just press this randomly. So as you can see here, I'm on my business account here. As you can see, professional dashboard is what it says. If you are stuck on here, guys, just repeat the process that we did. So go over to the three lines again, upper right corner, settings again, go over to account, and go over to switch account type here at the very bottom. So just switch to personal account here. Okay, just confirm this and just wait for this to process. And as you can see, it says switch to personal account, and let's check if it does. And as you can see, guys, we are now on our personal account, right back at it when we started the video earlier. So okay guys, that is it for the video today. Thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.